95, I got eyes on it.
Right here.
I see him, bro. We good. We gonna go.
We got him plugged in.
Hey, Chris! Show me up! Show me up! Fucking ass! Show me up! Right now! Show me up!
Please, I didn't do nothing.
We got an officer struck by a car.
Please give me a please.
Give me that phone. Where are you located for you now?
We are
Squad, need a rifle.
Don't move, man.
Okay, they're coming clear. Where are you located for the EMS?
Chicago Wall.
Chicago Wall for the EMS.
Are we still looking for someone?
You
got what?
When you start in Chicago,
Chicago, holding a rifle. Where?
Eastbound Chicago, where the ski
he
mask
went
with the
that way.
rifle.
I think a squad car chased him over there.
With a white hoodie.
He went that way. He got a white car.
Good? Good? I'm good. P, I love you, bro. I love you, bro. Chill. Just chill, P. I love you, bro. Can you please get him some EMS?
Black tail, white long shirt.
Please. That's all I want. Get him some EMS.
11.
Y'all not coming
We have a
for no
person
fucking
down over
EMS,
here. We
bitch.
need
You
EMS.
called the EMS. Settle down. They're coming.
11, we get EMS to Chicago Wall.
You had no
You hit with the car.
You had no fucking gun. Y'all came back to us,
No.
Okay, how do you see a second?
50-20 got responded.
Oh, he shot. He shot, bro.
Okay, we got EMS for the officer that got hit by the vehicle and EMS for the officer that got shot.
We're all at Chicago Wall.
That's where Chicago Wall.
Hey, stop right here. Hey. Please, bro, help him.
Are you hit? Let's check.
Turn over. Hey, stop right here. Stop cutting him off. Cut him off. You okay? Yeah, come on.
Person in the middle. You can check the middle. Central now on Chicago and Baller Wall in Chicago. Shot fired by the police. Got an officer hit by a vehicle and a person shot. Chicago and Waller.
You're good.
Take this off. P, I love you, P. I'm sorry, gang. I'm sorry, P. I'm sorry, P. I'm sorry, P.
531 got you going.
I love you, bro.
2534 got you
I
going.
love you, P. I'm sorry, P. I love you, P.
Austin 33.
Get you up. Ready?
Austin 33.
Let me get on myself. I got you.
You need to go? I'm good. Got you transferred to Officer Shoulder, Austin 33.
I can't even walk. I'm not there.
You got chest?
I love you, P. Please make sure he's okay.
Everybody got chest?
15 got you fine.
Ain't no EMS on the way.
Coming in hot.
Oh my God. I'm confused. I'm
Coming in. What unit trying to come in?
I want to make sure my brother's okay.
Tell you this morning, you're on scene.
P, I love you, P. Just hang in there.
What unit's on scene?
Yes. What's your
You
stuff?
can run my window.
Austin 33.
Give us a minute.
Austin 33.
At least.
Give us a minute.
You
Give
know,
us a minute.
soldier, we're coming in hot. If there's any vehicle that can hold southbound central for me.
We'll notify soldier you're coming in hot.
You guys got chest? All right. You're gonna have to go to the hospital too. What's the justice cost?
1595. Unit
15.
for making a crime scene.
Stay with us. Hey.
We need to take over 1595 for a crime scene.
Stop. You have to stay there, all right?
Watch it.
Austin 23 said, chest gonna get applied?
Oh my God.
Come on.
Chest gonna apply. 353 on the time.
Please,
Do you have another unit coming in?
please.
Officer 3-3, lock yourself on the...
Yeah, Officer 3-3 went on 290.
That's it, bro. You're adjusted. We gotta wait for
We need units at Chicago and Waller. Chicago and Waller, 2533, Chicago and Waller.
Struck. You need to take a minute, bro. Catch your breath. Just catch your breath. Sit in the car. Just catch your breath. All right? Good. You're good.
What's your name? The info on the shooter.
I understand. Just relax.
We have a male black dress with a long white shirt with the rifle. Do we have any information on the offender?
Find another car.
So the units on scene?
All right, man. Step out. They don't want you in this car.
Austin 3-3.
Austin 3-3.
Can you have children be outside with a wheelchair?
Right here. Right here.
I see him, bro. We good. We gonna go there.
Block this. We gotta block.
Hey, Chris, what? Show me your fucking ass. Show me your fucking ass. Show me your fucking ass. Show me your ass. Show me your fucking ass right now. Show me your ass. Just fire, squad.
Thomas, where are you guys located?
Don't fucking move! Now, bitch!
Black male wearing white shirt going northbound.
They hit me with the car.
We'll get the EMS rolling. Where are you located for EMS?
Yeah. Don't move, man.
Okay, then come in clear. Where are you located for the EMS?
Fuck.
Chicago and Waller.
Chicago and Waller for the EMS.
Are we still looking for someone?
You got what?
Chicago, hold your rifle.
He's holding rifle. They take the rifle. Where?
On the finger running eastbound on Chicago, wearing a ski mask with a rifle. Wear white hoodie.
I'm good. I need a car. I need a fucking car.
It was a black male, white, long shirt.
Black male, white long shirt. With the rifle. 11. We have a person shot over here. We need EMS. 11, we get EMS.
You good, man? Yeah, he pinned me against the car.
Yo.
1520, show me responding. 1520, got you responding.
Fuck.
Officer, I got hit pinned down by the car. I need EMS for the officer. I need EMS for the offender who got shot.
Okay, we got EMS rolling for the officer that got hit by the vehicle and EMS for the offender that got shot.
You good?
Yeah.
We're all at Chicago and Waller.
Got to Chicago and Waller.
Hey, stop right near me, hey. Hey. Please, bro, help him. Are you hit? Yeah, I got shoes right over. Hey, stop right near me. Start cutting him off. Cut him off. Shut up. Man, you okay? Yeah, they had me hit. Come on.
15 and Citywide, getting a 10-1. Lieutenant Thomas comes to Central, now on Chicago and Waller. Waller, Chicago.
I know, I'm putting you in the squad for you.
Got an officer hit by a vehicle and a person shot. Chicago and Waller.
You're good. Are you okay? You need to go to the hospital? Nah, man, they had pinned against the car. Sorry, you want me to self-transport? Yeah. Ariel, come on. Let's go.
531, got you going. 2534, got you going.
You shot, bro? No.
Right here.
I see him, bro. We good. We gonna go.
We got him blocked in.
Get out the car! Get out the car! Get out the car! Get out the car! Show me your fucking ass! Show me your ass! Fucking ass! Show me your ass! Show me your fucking ass right now! Show me your ass! Get down! Get down! Get down! Get down! Get down to the ground! Get down to the ground! Please!
Yeah, I got hit too.
We got an officer struck by a car. You're rolling EMS.
Please give me a little, please.
Give me mess rolling. Where are you located for you now?
We are at Chicago and Waller right here.
Okay, then come in clear. Where are you located for the EMS?
Chicago and Waller. Chicago and Waller.
Chicago and Wallace for the EMS.
Are we still looking for someone?
Are we still looking?
Yes. Chicago holding a rifle. Ski mask? Wait.
Where? Where?
He's down in Chicago wearing the ski mask with a rifle.
Get on the fucking...
Okay, where are you?
10-1, 10-1. Shots fired by the police.
Shots fired. Shots fired by the police. Central Thomas, where are you guys located?
Black male wearing white. Black male wearing white shirt, white shorts on.
I'm sorry, please. Please, I'm sorry.
They hit him on the car.
Yeah, I got hit too.
Please, I didn't do nothing.
We got an officer struck by a car. You're rolling EMS.
Please help me.
That offender that went on foot squad, he had a rifle. Roll EMS.
Don't move, man.
Okay, then come in clear. Where are you located for the EMS?
Chicago and Waller squad.
Chicago and Wallace for the EMS.